delicious.
Bacon jerky.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, so we just got these doors wrapped up. The client had some old French doors that were just builder grade, kind of whatever, white French doors. So we put in these guys. So steel doors, steel and glass, tempered glass, really nice modern look, goes super great with the front door. We'll put a barrel lock in here, so this door locks down and then that fully opens. So super nice. We reused the casing that was in here. So we did a reused casing, got that barrel lock on there, and then there's a ball latch up here. So that shuts it. So turned out super sweet. The measurement on this is 92 and a half, I think it is, or 93 by 6 feet basically, so, or 5 feet. So that's the doors. They look super sharp, and yeah, turned out great. Customer is happy. That's what we like. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, here we go again. Going up to Peoria, not Illinois, Arizona. We had to make a stop in Scottsdale, and we're still 41 minutes away from the destination. So the Phoenix Valley is huge. We're enjoying some, this is not sponsored by Oberto.
It's delicious.
Bacon jerky.
Mm-hmm.
Seattle, Washington. Anyway, we're gonna do 2 bypass doors today with glass in them. They're Naughty Alder, and then we're gonna do a white painted, I think it's a 5 or 6 panel door install. And we got some floating shelves we're installing as well. So it's a beautiful day. What's the temperature out, man?
One moment, I'm savoring my bacon. It's delicious. It's 77 degrees out right now, a little cooler than yesterday. But still a very beautiful sunny day. Speaking of the sun is going to set at 7:02 p.m. today, which is 2 minutes later than yesterday. So
enjoy it.
Days are getting longer, and all my hopes and dreams are getting bigger and bigger. Not sure how about yours?
Longer sunrise. Yeah, doing good. No wind, I don't think. Anyway, we'll record it and let you know how it goes. out of there though. No, we won't do it tomorrow.
No installs tomorrow.
No install tomorrow. We're just prepping for Friday.
I might take a sabbatical day.
I can't read.
Oh, no.